Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a candle to celebrate fall. So let's get started. To draw this cute candle, let's first start by drawing the flame. So I'm going to start right here and draw a really big flame, nice and round. So I'm going to go up and then about right here, I'm just going to kind of wave it out a little bit and bring it all back down. It's kind of drawing like a water drop, right? Kind of. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to come right back into the center area and draw the wick. So I'm just going to lightly draw in so that I can color it in 2 lines right down the center. And then right here, we're just going to lightly draw a curve so that we know our wick is in the candle. Then from there, I'm going to need to draw an oval. So it's just easier for my hand, and I'm just going to say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And it's going to go through my flame, come out about right here to create this curve. And then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and round it off. Same thing here. And then let's go ahead and finish off our oval. And I want the oval to come to about right here. Just a little bit underneath. So I'm just going to create this curve to about there and finish it off. This is the hardest part, is to get this oval in right here. If you're using a pencil, you can definitely draw this oval first and then put in the flame. Okay, you know what? Now I'm looking at my flame. This is kind of weird, right? It is a flame, so I don't think it's supposed to have a curve. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix this. Sorry about that. And just make it straight. Something was bothering me about it. There, and I'll go ahead and erase that a little bit later. And then, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and thicken up our glass. So I'm going to come right here and just follow the curve I've created, going around, and same thing here, come through. And we're going to come out about right there, and then I'm just going to bring this down, straight down for the side of our glass that holds our candle. And same thing here. I just thought it'd be cuter to put it in a glass. So hopefully you love this drawing today. So let's say about right there, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. Just round off the sides. And bring it down to about right here and then flatten out the bottom. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, let's go ahead and come right about here. We're giving our glass a little bit of an edge. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve following our top. We're going to end about right there as well. And then I'm going to bring it down, following the sides, just so that it looks like glass. And I'm going to go up, follow the bottom, same thing. And once you color it, it'll all make sense. Okay, there. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and connect this. I think it makes a little bit more sense. There. Okay. Something like that. Just something looks off. But I'll connect that. And then from there, let's see. We need to draw the inside. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve. And this is going to be the actual candle. All the way across. And then let's see here. Then we need to go ahead and bring it to life, right? Finally. So, but in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. And then we're going to make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And of course, let's give our candle a sweet smile. So say about right here, in between the eyes, go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. Aww. And of course, for your coloring, you can give it some cheeks. And last but not least, I need to draw a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute candle. And that is pretty much it for the candle part. So now to make it more festive, and since I'm celebrating fall, I'm going to come to the sides and just quickly draw in some leaves. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw some leaves, kind of laying down on the side, and a little stem perhaps, and connect. And then maybe another kind right here. It's all up to you. Just have fun with this. And of course, it all depends on what you're celebrating. Then that will determine what you put here. So if it's Christmas, you can put in some holly berries, things like that. Okay, and then maybe on this side, same thing, but maybe just a different kind of leaf. Or if you just want to draw a regular candle and nothing else, then just leave this all out. There, and then maybe one more. Just an opportunity to draw some fall leaves. Just kind of tuck it in there. There, and then maybe just to add a little bit of whimsy here, we can add some these little berries or something. There, and let's see. I think we should just leave it like that. What do you think? Or you can add some little things on the bottom as well, so it's not so stiff. But that is pretty much it. And let me hurry up and just fix this flame right here. Make this part rounder. There, so I'm going to let that dry, but it's just supposed to come to a peak right here, and then same thing on both sides. But I can't touch it right now because I'm going to muddle up. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this candle to celebrate fall. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and that I inspired you to draw as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.